Attention, recruits! Our Christmas mission begins. We have located a horde of Dino Rescue artifacts, our greatest gift. But the key to unlocking the central operation is hidden. We must choose wisely. Look at these cool vehicles. Option Alpha, Zuma's specialized submersible and the massive Brontosaurus. High risk, high reward. Or perhaps the Ground Pounders, Rocky with the armored Stegosaurus, or Marshall and the lightning-fast Velociraptor. Roar. But wait, our intelligence suggests the real threat lies here. The notorious Kitty Catastrophe Crew, a dangerous diversion. We cannot decide based on danger alone. We must trust the most experienced. Rex, in the Dino Rescue Patroller. Roll him out! He's on approach. The tension is building. Will he select the key to our Christmas success? Let's monitor his trajectory. Target acquired. The Kitty Catastrophe Crew is our prize. Well done, Rex. Mission objective 1 complete. Now, the assembly phase. We must understand our new enemies and allies. Let's get them out of the box and deploy to the lookout tower base. First, take the units out gently. Here is Sky's Kitty. Observe the details, children. She is a formidable foe. And here is Rubble's kitten. Instruction point 1. The pups are larger. They must provide cover for the kittens during deployment. I brought an older model for comparison. Notice the near identical design. You can combine sets, making your team stronger. Brilliant! The core leadership, Chase's kitty and Marshall's kitty. These two will be the main operatives in our great escape. Instruction point 2. The pups in this set can only turn their heads. Always confirm your unit's mobility before a mission. Look at the full force of the Catastrophe Crew. Rubble, Zuma, Chase, Marshall, and Sky. Only one is missing, but our team is formidable. It's time to move to the secret base, the Dino Rescue Lookout Tower. The kittens are infiltrating the command center. Instruction point 3. Close the door tightly. This is critical for containment, or in this case, a dramatic escape. Commence the vertical ascent. Press the button, and here they go! Whoa! The kittens are on the move. Tension is maximum. Target has reached the top deck. This tower is incredible, offering full surveillance of the Dino domain. Deploy the units. Oh no! Unit 2 went flying! Instruction point 4. Always secure your target for a smoother landing. Now the vital communication system, the supply hook. We must practice emergency supply drops. This is a crucial feature, kids. Raise the supply box slowly. We need precision. This simulates lifting valuable artifacts, or maybe a captured cat. We successfully tested all defense mechanisms. Rotate the tower and press the button for the final system check. What an amazing command center! The mission is complete, agents. We have integrated the Kitty Catastrophe Crew and secured the Dino Rescue Lookout Tower. Remember, the best part is mastering the rules of play. Use your imagination to create your own high-stakes missions. Lookout Tower and these amazing toys are the perfect Christmas combination for strategic fun. Prepare your own bases. I hope these instructions help you lead your own PAW Patrol adventures this holiday season. Thank you for joining my mission. If you enjoyed this dramatic unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below for more tactical training videos. Merry Christmas, and I will see all you little commanders later. Mission accomplished. Bye!